This one got hit in this side. It's getting a new front door. It got drove in and it damaged this B-pillar right here. So I have a Subaru Forester here. This one got hit in this side. It's getting a new front door, which I have right here. And then we will be blending the color into the fender. There's a minor repair on the rear door. Then whenever this front door got hit, it got drove in and it damaged this B-pillar right here. Pretty minor. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to work this back into shape, repair this rear door, then I'll fit the front door, get everything fitting correctly. I got this front door all fit up, making sure everything lines up good, and it looks like I have nice even gaps. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift this front door back off. I'm gonna take the rear door off as well, and I'm gonna get this one all primed up.